Did you know that a simple bowl of overnight oats can provide you with sustained energy throughout your morning? This easy recipe is a game changer for busy mornings. Try this today. Combine 1 cup of rolled oats, 1 cup of almond milk, or your favorite milk, and 1 tablespoon of chia seeds in a jar or bowl. Stir in a dash of cinnamon and a drizzle of honey or maple syrup for sweetness. Mix it well and leave it in your refrigerator overnight. In the morning, you can add toppings like fresh fruits, nuts, or a dollop of yogurt for extra nutrients and flavor. This breakfast keeps you full for hours, thanks to the fiber and healthy fats that help stabilize your energy levels. Imagine starting your day with a delicious and satisfying meal that fuels your body and mind, making you feel ready to tackle anything. Plus, it's super customizable. You can switch up the fruits or nut butters to keep things interesting and cater to your taste preferences. Would you try this? Let us know what toppings you would choose or share your favorite healthy breakfast idea in the comments. This could be the energizing change your mornings have been waiting for, transforming your routine into something delightful and nutritious.